Go, Albert, open it. Go, open it at the same time. Open it at the same time. Remember, you guys have been bad. Open yours. You guys have been bad, so remember what I told you. Hopefully Santa Claus got you a good present. Oh, yeah. What did you get? Yeah, open it. What do you think you got? Whoa. What did you get? What do you mean nothing? You guys have been good, right? Oh. Oh. You've been good, right? Have you? I don't know. Wait, you've been good? You know you haven't been good. Wow.
Okay.
Have you been good, Denise? I don't know, man. What did you get, Albert? Oh my gosh. Hurry up. Albert's feeding you, Denise.
Just ketchup?
You got ketchup for Christmas?
Check yours and you see. Checkers. I'm gonna open it for her.
What did you get ketchup for?
I don't know because I wanted it.
Because you wanted ketchup. What did Denise? Oh, you got soup. What did you get, Denise?
Soup. I thought I got this. I wanted a motorcycle.
Hey, but ketchup's good. Do you like your ketchup, Albert?
No. Ketchup?
You like your soup? You still looking for more? You're happy, Denise? You like your soup? Oh, what is this? You got... What is that? I think that's for Denise. Ah!
I'm gonna get one of these.
Oh, that's for you, Denise. Oh, what about your soup?
Mine is coming. Oh, your ties are shiny.
Oh. Let me see. Open it up. Oh.
I wanted this.
Oh, cool. Look, it's an old man scooter.